Hi, my name is Aruna Dr. Afghanistan, and my team members are Nur Erika Farhana binti Suwarim and Starshini Tirulokashandar. So, welcome to our week 3 case study presentation on MasChain Sendirian Berhad, a pioneering Malaysia blockchain company dedicated to streamlining technology for real-world applications. Our focus today is the Halal Chain Innovation, a digital framework designed to ensure end-to-end Sharia integrity. We will explore how this firm transforms complex religious requirements into a decentralized truth mission. Hi. Okay, now we are moving to conceptualization of the idea. The conceptualization of our platform involves a meticulous mapping of Sharia compliance requirements to the functional pillars of blockchain technology. We translate the religious necessity for farm-to-table purity into technical features like distributed ledgers and immutable records. By using an ontology-driven design, we ensure that the logic of halal auditing is coded directly into the blockchain architecture. This conceptual framework allows us move from a manual, error-prone system to an automated validation process. Our goal is to provide verifiable proof of halal status that can be assessed by all stakeholders in real time. Okay, next. Origins of the innovative ideas. The origins of this innovation are rooted in the identifications of a silent crisis of trust within Islamic management and global supply networks. This crisis is driven by significant industry challenges, including a widespread lack of transparency and frequent instances of fraud and adulteration. Research indicates that non-halal products are often mislabeled, leading to a profound breach of consumer confidence. Furthermore, the traditional certification process is hindered by inconsistent global frameworks and operational inefficiencies. Recognizing these systematic vulnerabilities served as the primary catalyst for developing a blockchain-based traceability system. That's all from me. Thank you.
Explain the classification of MasChain as a platform innovation. MasChain functions as a blockchain-based platform that provides a digital ecosystem for multiple stakeholders. As illustrated in the diagram, the MasChain ecosystem acts as the central hub connecting three key components. First, the certifying bodies serve as primary nodes that issue tamper-proof digital certificate directly onto the distributed ledgers. Second, suppliers integrate their operation and logistics into the platform to ensure compliance, particularly with Sharia requirements, in a transparent manner. Third, consumer benefit from enhanced transparency as they are able to access immutable supply chain records, thereby increasing trust in the products. Overall, the hub and spoke model adopted by MasChain transform traditional fragmented system into a more integrated, transparent, and collaborative digital environment. On this slide, we present the opportunity recognition and pain point diagnosis, which explain how we identify key industry challenges and potential opportunities for improvement. Firstly, in terms of industry pain points, there are serious issues such as rampant halal mislabeling and fraud, which are actively degrading the integrity of the halal market. In addition, inconsistent and localized certification frameworks have led to widespread consumer confusion. From the market consequence perspective, the lack of transparency in complex global supply chains can create significant blind spot in regulatory oversight. This increases the risk of non-compliance, weakens consumer trust, and raises concerns about physical contamination as well as difficulties in verifying product provenance. To address these challenges, the MasChain intervention is introduced as a structured solution. MasChain provides a unified and collaborative digital environment by leveraging blockchain technology, enabling transparent and immutable proof of product origin. Furthermore, MasChain establishes a foundational blockchain ecosystem that supports tamper-proof digital certificate and transparent permanent record. This approach encourages consumer trust and ensure verifiable compliance. In conclusion, MasChain was developed based on a systematic diagnosis of market vulnerabilities, aiming to address the urgent need for a more transparent and trustworthy compliance system.
This slide shows MasChain's dual typology innovation. It combines process innovation and platform innovation. As a process innovation, it uses IoT to enable real tracking and traceability of goods. As a platform innovation, it creates a secure, decentralized ecosystem for stakeholders to collaborate. When combined, these form an end-to-end traceability system supported by smart contracts for automatic verification. Overall, this improves transparency, efficiency, and trust in supply chain management. Currently, our systems suffer from fragmented data and centralized vulnerabilities that undermine public confidence. By implementing MasChain as a decentralized truth machine, we convert this chaos into an immutable, decentralized architecture that guarantees Sharia compliance and logistical transparency. This transition ensures that ethical promises are backed by hard data, ultimately establishing verified provenance and proving that blockchain is a vital structural guardian of global market integrity. Thank you.